Moonlight melody. The position is close this time. We look at where is the middle C, which is on the right side, and left hand right next to it, which is on the B. We start from left hand. All cows eat grass. Start from G. So G, 1 and 3 on the right, to black key, neighbor. From G, white, go up, B, G, back to your black key. So start from E, go up, E. Now thumb, left hand, D, go up, go down to C, go up, C, D, back to B, go down to G, 1 and 3. Black key, neighbor, 2, 4. G, go up, G, A flat, back to E, go up, E, D, go up, D, C, left hand, G, go up and down, right, cross to F, A, C, E with the pedal down. Slow version. Last version.